Hi everyone, Gagajoy's cooking. Well, I'm glad you're here today. We're going to start making a little bit of candy. This one is one of my most requested, and I made one similar to it last year when it was the nougat with the different colored jelly drops. Remember that one? If you're not, I think it was, just go back through the tapes from last year. And it has very few ingredients: 2 packages of marshmallows, 2 packages of white chocolate drops, 2 cups of nuts, and that's it. The thing is just getting together. And you just put and it's easy to do it this way. The other way I did it wasn't too easy. Well, it was easy, but this one just seemed like it was made to be easier. In the bottom, or on the top, either one, is a half stick of butter. It just has to melt in with it. Actually, I think I'm going to put it on the bottom. It's a little bit easier that way sometimes. Okay, now put it in on the microwave, 30 seconds at a time, and then try it. It usually takes 2 minutes, 30 seconds, and then you stir it. Oh, that one didn't do much, so back in for 30 more. Let's see how this is doing. Well, it's starting. So we will continue. Of course, I got to stick my finger in my mouth. I got all my supplies early this year. You just didn't really know what you're going to be getting them, and some of them I couldn't. Okay, we're getting there. Maybe one more to it. Not that, surely. 2 more will. Yeah, we got it. Just make it comes down real smooth and creamy. Then you add your white chocolate chips until they melt, and they just melt themselves, and the hot marshmallow. Now we'll put it back in there for a minute or 30 seconds. Actually, I don't think, see what that would hurt. Okay. Stir her down. I'll just do this one. And as you see, it's sticky. There's no getting around it. It's very sticky. Now let's start adding our 1 cup of nuts at a time. You can use any kind of nuts. I'm using the walnuts and the pecans. And I dehydrated a few maraschino cherries this morning just to give it a little bit of color. I'm good for color. Man, this is stuff sticky. But there's no shortcut to it. It has to be like this. It's just one of those sticky ones, but honestly, at the end of it, and it'll last till Christmas. You just pack it early. Yeah. You got a good, and it's so pretty. It's such a pretty one. Make that, distribute them evenly. Now I've got this dish, Tupperware dish, and I've got it lined with parchment paper for obvious reasons. After you see how sticky this is. You know what I'm thinking? That if you put butter on your hands, you may be able to work with this easier. I think I'll do that. Or even pan. Why not? Keep it from sticking. But this time it's not that hot. Well, I come up with a good isolate. Look at that. Yep, and we should have. Well, if I make it again, I'll know to do that. Makes sense. We got it that far. And my hands are going. Well, now the only thing about this, it's got to sit overnight. So I'll let it sit overnight, and in the morning we'll come back and see how it's done. Well, it's been 2 hours and I got it out of the freezer. And it's certainly cutting worthy. It's so hard. Let's see how we do here. I'm going to cut it about inch pieces. Well, you know that it turned out real pretty. The color and the chocolate, the white chocolates showed up. It's the confetti. It was called confetti. I never heard of white chocolate with that kind of confetti in it. Ta-da! Now you gotta admit that's a pretty good dish of candy. And I'm gonna take a bite just quick as I get off the video, because this is a little chewy. Well, this has been a good day. I'm glad I got 2 batches of candy made, and I've got about 6 more to go. Not of this one. This is all I'll be making probably this year. Will probably be the only. Unless somebody wants the jelly, I might try that. So it's been a good day. I hope you'll try this because I can tell you it's a little tedious, but it's worth trying. And especially if you come across a few extra nuts that would be good in there. They use pistachio, but I don't particularly like pistachio nuts, although they show up beautifully in this candy. So remember the joy this time of year for people. A lot of people hurting, and just be thoughtful of other people this time of year. Take care of yourself. Subscribe, ring that bell. I'll see you soon. Bye.